Atikaye chenye chene na seti kuzene ma koganjo tadana ami manalele auma tadana kai aune pikeda
hakata tadana di Saint Joseph aninde kedra chauchiye ayik awe tadana so ne dwi ne ba sheku kwaisite tadana chau thai ne lizeye
Decorate town say kune hakata tadana yetu Yamye kono chimwanga pichule hakata tunama witumba kwa kumbitai wikimbia ye nainga no tungase hakazo neba hakatan lang chunjoye sakta su kwane bông dông ba đê phần làm dùng nề ba phần làm giá chiều lên tê lùm băng vá lông nê vì ba đê bên trái sông nề ba bên trái xí chạy gặp lấy dây đất trái hi lâu nê ru tu ba đê so nema maho lo she shin bao ye di da ti lin day chao chu ye the great town say kune hakata na yetu ye ya me kong do chi mon ga ti chu le hakata na ma Makaba kumbitai Kimbiya ye Nainga no tungase Matu piso nema Baho matu pinero ye Nalai ne chau tu ba shi cha de chong lao so ne ma ba ho phin ne chong lao ye ma quy im nu ne dou ba de
chong qua so ne ma ba hu chong qua we bula ye cha in ne tam phu shi cha de
rezo so ne ma rezo sa thong le ge ye na re lo chwe pi kwarang ye the great town say kune hakata na yetu ye ya me kono chi wanga ti chu le
Signore Dario Pavisa! Viva! Viva! Signore Dario Pavisa! Viva! Viva! Signore Dario Pavisa! Viva! Dario Pavisa! Viva! Viva Gesù! Viva Gesù! No, Monsignore Dario Pavisa! Viva Gesù! piano sedih jadi dia di rumah banyak dia
Welcome on stage. Dear Monsignor Dario Pavisa, Secretary of the Apostolic Nuncio, priests from other dioceses and dioceses, and all the other district priests and honorable guests, warmly welcome to the Diocese of Hakka and to the celebration of priestly ordination and diocesan silver jubilee. First of all, I would like to present a brief history of the Catholic mission in Hakka Diocese. The missionaries attempted to enter into the Chinchilla region several times since 1864, but with little success or none. History recorded by the Lauren, a French priest from the Paris Foreign Mission Society, Missions Estrangères de Paris, AMIPI, as the first ever missionary who visited to the Chinchillas. He visited Fort White near Tupla on September 22, 1889. In 1890, Father Lauren M.E. and Father Westerton were sent to the Chin people. They settled at Ballet near Molat. Father Lauren and Father Jare tried to enter into the Chinese and arrived at Songshi in the southern part of China and started to learn the language. At the end of 1891, Father Jare and Father Akarian arrived to Hakka to settle there and work for mission. But as soon as they arrived, they were obliged to go back to Kango. In this way, the first attempt to Christianize the Chin people by the Catholic missionaries was concluded in waiting for another chance. The second attempt was made in 1933 when Bishop A. Caliere, Father Audrey Emili, Father Alexis Ubadi, and 4 catechists arrived at Campolet on December 17, 1933. For the mere prospect, they proceeded to Minden and arrived on the last day of 1933. On the first day of January 1933, the first ever Mass was over, and in this way, the proper mission had its beginning. The Lord blessed this Catholic mission and the Church grew day by day. Chinsei was under the religious administration of the Archdiocese of Mandalay. The Holy Father Pochon Paul II appointed Reverend Father Nicholas Mamtan as Auxiliary Bishop of Mandalay Archdiocese and Episcopal consecration took place on January 15, 1989. At the same time, the Auxiliary Bishop was requested to make, with a special mandate, the necessary preparation for the creation of a new diocese known as Hakka Diocese. When the time comes, it was announced on November 21st, 1992, the creation of the new diocese with its center at Hakka, making Monsignor Nicholas Mamtan its first ever diocesan bishop. The enthronement was celebrated on 21st March 1993. Since then, the diocese has been guided by the following bishops, namely Monsignor Nicholas Mamtan, Bishop of Hakka, 1992 to 2011. Monsignor Felix Benkintan, Auxiliary Bishop of Hakka, 2006 to 2010. Monsignor Nicholas Mamtan, Apostolic Administrator of Hakka, 2012 to 2013. Monsignor Lucius J. Crowley, Bishop of Hakka, 2014 up to now. In order to have a more effective pastoral and missionary administration, the diocese was created on 22nd May 2010 by His Holiness Pope Benedict XVI. At the same time, Monsignor Felix Benkintan, the Auxiliary Bishop of Hakka, was appointed the first ever Bishop of the diocese. When Monsignor Nicholas Mamtan was transferred to Mandalay Archdiocese as co-adjutant bishop, the Hakka diocese seat became vacant, and thus Monsignor Nicholas Mamtan, the co-adjutant bishop of Mandalay Archdiocese, was appointed as apostolic administrator until Monsignor Lucius Regnum was appointed Bishop of Hakka on October 19, 2013. The Episcopal ordination took place on February 4, 2014. Hakka diocese comprises 8 townships: Hakka, Phalam, Hanglan, Minden, Maiduguri, Campolet, Kango, and So. The approximate area of the diocese is 10,623.84 square miles. According to 2017 statistics, the total population of the diocese is is 718,948, out of which 32,462 are Catholics. 70 priests and 4 deacons are incarnated into the Diocese of Hakka, 4 female congregations and 1 male congregation. With their approximately 80 consecrated members are working in the diocese. We all bishop, priests, brothers, sisters, Catholic members, and other friends are heartily welcoming you all to the Diocese of Hakka and to the celebrations of priestly ordination and the diocesan spiritual week. Thank you.
To so we go to Tarino, Pasarona, to the Shivare, a course therapy, Joelma, Sayomi go to Judging CC Pare, now going to item, we start for arrival stage by Muslim Professor, Secretary of Pastoral Rules.
Mandama e dopo niente più. Adesso ho imparato qui su altare, mi hanno detto come si dice buongiorno, buongiorno a Vescovo e grazie per il benvenuto.
Di non cercare tutti ora c'è la cammina quindi la capitale di nella negatalo dove c'era oggi questo c'è come va di appunto di
Grazie per questo bello benvenuto a tutti voi, sacerdoti, le suore e soprattutto giovani e anche tutti gli altri fedeli che avete sacrificato questo pomeriggio per fare questa bella accoglienza. Vorrei inizio portarvi i saluti da Sua Eccellenza Paul, Nunzio Apostolico.
Paul Tanganema, Kaya Dumare, Moro Sedamo,
che è voluto molto essere con voi, ma purtroppo sua salute, che in questa ultima settimana è molto debole, non è potuto per questa causa venire in questo viaggio. Lui vi manda suoi saluti e soprattutto benedizione speciale del Santo Padre.
Però tu non sei loro, tu dici di come hanno tu oggi però
davanti a noi sono 2 giorni molto pieni delle celebrazioni, quindi celebrazione dell'ordinazione e anche Silver Jubilee della diocesi. Venendo qui pensavo molto, perché avevo tempo 8 ore con la macchina, pensavo molto soprattutto delle persone che vivevano in questa diocesi e missionari che lavoravano in questa diocesi molti anni prima di noi.
ဒီဒီကိုရှင်းနိုင်ကြတဲ့ဒီကိုကားနဲ့ဒီတဲ့အချိန်တွေမှာကျွန်တော်နေနေသူကိုနေပေါင်းများဆိုတာကတော့သာသနာပြုကြတဲ့သာသနာပြုပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ကြီးများဘယ်လိုတော့ချင်းများတိုက်ခိုက်ရှိကြကြမလဲဆိုတော့ဒီစီဆောင်ပါကျွန်တော်နေနေတွေ့တော့ပြီးကြပါတယ်
Vescovo ha detto molto vero, ha pronunciato tutti i nomi delle persone che proprio hanno seminato la fede in questa diocesi.
ဆရာတော်ကြီးရဲ့သူဆိုဘုရားစကားထဲမှာဒီသာသနာအတွက်ဒီနေအတွက်ဒီဒေသအတွက်မိမိတို့ရဲ့အသက်ကိုသက်ဆုံးဆန္ဒနဲ့လက်ကိုယ်နာထားတဲ့သာသနာပြုပေးကြတဲ့သာသနာပြုပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ကြီးများရဲ့အမိနာမကိုလူစီပေါ်ပြသွားကြရတယ်သူနဲ့တင့်တော်ဧကတင့်တော်ပါပါတယ်
E io vorrei proprio ringraziare a Dio per questi doni delle persone, delle vite concrete che hanno sacrificato la vita per Gesù.
ဒီယေရှုရဲ့မိမိတို့ရဲ့အသက်ကိုဆက်ကားခဲ့ကြတဲ့ဒီသာသနာပြုပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ကြီးများအားလုံးလည်းကျွန်တော်တို့နဲ့တော်ရှင်ဝမ်းသာဘယ်လိုဘုရားရှင်ကိုလည်းသူကျေးဇူးတင်ပါလေ
Pensavo se noi abbiamo oggi viaggiato 8 ore, ma non so, 50 anni fa quanto tempo hanno dovuto avere per viaggiare?
ရှစ်တိုင်ဒီလိုနေတဲ့အတွက်မှာဒီကနေ့တဲ့ပေါင်း90တော့မှဒီခရီးရာပဲရဲ့တရားများကြာခဲ့တယ်ဆိုတာလည်းတော်လေးကိုစဉ်းစားပြီးတယ်အောင်းပြီးတယ်
Ma devo dire che ho goduto, preghiamo adesso insieme una Ave Maria nella vostra lingua per tutte queste intenzioni. Grazie.
ဒီခုပြောခဲ့တဲ့ဒီကျေးဇူးအားလုံးပဲကျွန်တော်တို့ဘုရားရှင်မှာဘုန်းကြီးတို့တဲ့တော်ကိုမိမိတို့ရဲ့ဘာသာစကားအသီးနဲ့ရွတ်ဆိုပြီးတော့ဒီတော်ရပါလို့အားလုံးကိုသိချင်ပါတယ်ဘုန်းကြီးတို့ကြောင့်မိမိတို့ဘာသာစကားအသီးနဲ့ဆိုတာအားလုံးကိုသိရပါကျွန်တော်ဘာသာလို့စာတယ်နော်ဘုန်းကြီးတို့ရဲ့ဒီဆုံးတော်ဘာသာ
ပေးပါကျူပီပွဲတော်တို့တွားရောက်လာကြတဲ့ရဝေးရည်မှာအဲ့ဒီလိုများကိုဝမ်းမြောက်ဝမ်းသာစွာနဲ့ကျူဆိုပြီးတော့ရခိုင်တဲ့ရုပ်ကိုကောင်းကြီးပေးပါစေခုလိုပွဲတော်ကြွရောက်လာကြတဲ့အားလုံးကိုတော်တော်အတီးတီးတရားချင်းစီကိုတော်တော်ကျေးဇူးတင်နေတော့ကျူဆိုရင်းနဲ့ပြောလိုပါတယ်ဆိုတော့ဒီညနေအစီအစဉ်နဲ့တန်အစီအစဉ်ဒီဘက်ကအစီအစဉ်တွေကိုဥစ္စာမှာပမာလို့ပြုပြပါမယ်ပြီးတော့အခါလို့Father Ronita ကနေတော့ထပ်ပြီးတော့အနည်းငယ်ရှင်းပြပါအောင်
အတိန်သာသနာကနဇုံး Paris က
။ဟုတ်ကဲ့ဒီရဟန်းတိတ်ခါတင်ပွဲအတွက်ကိုလာတာလားခင်ဗျာ
ကဲ
။ချင်းပင်နယ်ခုပထမအဆုံးချိန်လာအရင်ကရောရောက်ဘူးလားမသိဘူး
ညကလေးကြီးပဲရောက်ဘူး
။ဘယ်လိုနေလဲစိတ်ထဲကနေ
တိတ်ပျော်ဖို့ကောင်းတယ်တိတ်လည်းအေးချမ်းတယ်
ဟုတ်ကဲ့
ကျင်းနဲ့တယ်ပေါ့နော်
ဟုတ်ကဲ့ပါကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာဟုတ်